What a Motogp event. Rossi, the new world champion. This is the man that has drawn them in. Rossi only has to finish 8th in this race to take the title. So Rossi leads, Biaggi second. Max Biaggi takes the lead. We ride with Valentino Rossi. Over the top they go. Rossi has the advantage. Rossi leads. The checkered flag is being readied side by side. Valentino Rossi wins the race. He wins the world title. What a MotoGP event. Rossi, the new world champion. Rossi wins here in Australia. Now leads the two Ducatis. Rossi runs off the track but hangs on.
Rossi comes through. Rossi's in second position.
Rossi will be crowned world champion.
We're on board with Valentino Rossi down the home straight, and Rossi goes up the inside of Gibernau.
Rossi on course for the world title, but Gibernau wants to win the race.
Gibernau on board again, we're with Rossi. Gibernau goes round the outside and Gibernau is back in front. Rossi seems to have the inside line as they now dip down into the right hander. Rossi leads. Rossi has taken the lead once more on this final lap.
The World Championship title beckons. Valentino Rossi wins the Australian Grand Prix here at Phillip Island. He wins the 2004 World Championship. Yamaha back on top after a 12-year absence due to one person, the 25-year-old Italian Valentino Rossi. We ride with the doctor, we ride with the world champion. 4th place this afternoon will be enough for him to retain his 2005 World MotoGP Championship.
The reigning world champion has got the 2005 title in his sights and he desperately wants to clinch it with a victory.
Rossi has got in front of Nicky Hayden as they go up the main straight.
Here comes Rossi for the lead for the first time. The crowd are on their feet in front of me. Their hands are raised in the air. Rossi leads the Malaysian Grand Prix. Capirossi will again challenge him for the lead at the end of the straight. Capirossi looks to have just overcooked it a little bit, but does very, very well to turn that Ducati into the first turn. Rossi will win the MotoGP World Championship regardless. He clinches second place. He clinches the title.
Match point for Valentino Rossi. If he finishes on the podium, he's guaranteed to take the championship.
Rossi up the inside of Nicky Hayden. Rossi now moves into 3rd place.
Valentino Rossi a couple of times this year for similar kinds of manoeuvres, and now Rossi's going to take advantage and take second position.
Rossi is just push.
Through on the brakes, that left leg comes out in a big dangle there from Valentino Rossi, and he goes through and takes the lead.
Into victory corner for the very last time. We salute the 2008 Motogp World Champion, Valentino Rossi. The penultimate round of the Motogp World Championship, we're underway. Valentino Rossi is not happy.
He would still win the World Championship if it was like this.
Here comes Rossi up the inside of Loris Capirossi as he got through on the brakes. Yes, he has.
Valentino Rossi's gone through on Jorge Lorenzo into fourth positioning. A huge wheelie as Valentino Rossi becomes the world champion 2009, his 7th MotoGP crown and his 9th world title overall. Delight for him.
The world champion returns and the crowd are here to celebrate with him. This is the man that has drawn them in.